Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how can you ask a question in your Instagram story. The process is very simple and very easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app, and once it will be open, let's post a new story on our Instagram by tapping on this Your Story icon, which is at the left top. And from here, select what you want to post on Instagram. For example, I will post a picture, and I choose this picture for my Instagram story. And how can we ask questions in this? The process is really simple and easy. Tap on the sticker icon, which is at the top of the screen. Here is the option, Questions. Tap on this one. You have to write your question. For an example, I am writing, so I ask this question. Guess the character. Now place it wherever you want to show, like I will place this here. Now the last thing is, tap on this icon, which is at the bottom right, and share this to your Instagram, and when someone will see your Instagram story. When he will tap on this type something, then he can reply to your question on your Instagram story. So by using this method, you can ask questions in your Instagram story.